guys and girls, I'm pleased to bring you Going Places. This is a new style in the Raquel Welch Fall 2019 collection. As you can see, it's beautifully sculpted. Look at the nape, how it's cut. And you've got these tousled curls throughout. You know, this really redefines the classic page style by adding a touch of glamour. Now this has a temple-to-temple lace front that's sheer and hand-tied, 1.5 inches deep. It also has a side hand-tied monofilament part, which you can either style sharply drawn or just wear it messy on top, full volume, which we'll take a look at closer. Well, let's get started. Going Places wig cap features a 1.5 inch deep, virtually invisible sheer lace front for natural off-the-face styling. The left-hand side monofilament part has synthetic fiber that is individually hand-knotted one by one in a wide strip for parting options. On either side of the cap are velvet-lined adjustable ear tabs. Open wefts at the sides and the back offer air circulation for scalp coolness. The patented Memory 3 cap includes silicone-coated stretch lace that conforms to the shape of your head for a custom-like fit. On either side of the velvet-lined nape are ultra-thin Velcro adjusters, which allow for a custom-like fit. Here is Going Places. The tousled curls gracefully complement the jawline and the chin for a very elegant look. And the sculpted nape creates a very sophisticated silhouette. The cap size on Going Places is average, which fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, which is my head size. This cap fits me a little snug right out of the box without moving the adjustable straps, so I don't know that this wig would be suitable for someone with a larger than average head size. The fiber is true to life, heat-friendly fiber. It has a very soft texture, surprisingly, because most heat-defiant fibers feel a bit coarse. This does not. There's no shine, and it has the appearance of true human hair. The hairline is beautiful. Raquel Welch has some of the best hairlines, lace fronts that is, in the industry. And Going Places lace front is no exception. It's 1.5 inches deep, temple to temple, sheer. I do want to point out one thing, and I think it is probably due to this particular wig and does not represent this style. If you look right here, you'll see that the black stitching of the cap is showing. This is the only flaw that I have found in this particular wig. I did want to point that out, as you might want to look for that on darker styles. When you get the wig, examine it before you wear it in case you decide that this is a problem and you need to return it. Just a note for you. The left-hand side monofilament part is exceptional. It's hand-tied, and you can wear it sharply drawn, or because this wig has these wonderful curls and volume, you can just tease it up and wear it with no part at all. The lace front, being as beautiful as it is, means that you can wear it off the face. Let's take a look at this very modern, sophisticated style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. Ladies, look at how beautifully this is sculpted in the back. Little hairs at the nape, just lend a beautiful cut. Right side. Going Places measurements are 8.5 inches for the front fringe. The sides are 7.5 inches long. The crown is 8.5 inches long. The back is 7.5 inches long, and the nape is 3 inches long. This style has a weight of 3.2 ounces, making it very lightweight for all-day wear. Let's talk about this color, Sugar and Charcoal RL511. Sugar and Charcoal is the perfect name for this, as it starts a medium gray at the front that gradually darkens to a salt and pepper color towards the back, and then at the nape you have an even darker sort of charcoal color. Very dynamic. Well, let's take a look at this color out in natural. What I love about Going Places is it's a style that you can wear either very sleek, sort of feathered to the side, a little tame. Could even put it behind the ear here. Look at that. Really cute. Or say you're going out dancing on Saturday night, you can certainly get the volume pumped up here just with your fingers and create a very full, voluminous look. Look at that. So easy to create different looks with this style. If you're interested in purchasing Going Places, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. They carry this style in all of the beautiful Raquel Welch salon colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. If you have any questions about this style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave them in the comments section below. If you've worn Going Places, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Well, please subscribe to my channel, as I plan to have many more wig reviews to come, color comparisons, and wig advice. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.